Morning children, welcome to online class. Previous class we already learnt vowel sound of O. Okay. Today we have discussing about sound selection long O. Okay, sound selection long O. The page number 28. Okay, page number 28. Circle the pictures that have a long O sound in them. Okay, circle the pictures that have long O sound in them. See, the first one, cook, cook. Okay, the next one, tool, tool. Okay, that is called have the long O sound. Okay, long O sound word. Okay, you have to circle on the picture. Okay, you have to circle on the picture. Identify the long O sound of word. You have to circle on the picture. Okay, the next one, spoon, spoon. This is also long O sound word. Okay, so you have to circle on the picture. You have to draw one circle. Okay, the next one, hood, hood. Root, root. Look, look. Foot, foot. This is called long O sound word. Okay, you have to draw one circle on the picture. Okay, the next one, took, took. Loom, loom. Shook, shook. Stood, stood. This is called long O sound word. You have to draw one circle on the picture. Okay, the next one, hoot. Okay, hoot. You have to circle on the picture. You have to draw one circle on the picture. Okay, see, circle the pictures that have a long O sound in them. First one, tool, spoon, foot, stood, hoot. Okay, understand? First one, tool, spoon, foot, stood, hoot. Okay, guys, you have to practice in your home. This is your homework also. Okay, you have to write in your 4-line notebook. Okay, see you the next class. Okay, bye bye.